Hello everyone, my name is Royanne Bystead and I'm here in Junction City at Guarantee RV. I'd like to show you this Ventana. It's a Newmar Ventana 2018 3709. It is a used unit. Got nice storage on the outside, side opening doors. It's a nice feature. This one has an outdoor TV right here. Standard storage is just like the rest of them. This is a diesel coach. This Newmar is built like a residential home. It's 16 inches on center. It's insulated very well. You have a nice televator right here so you don't take up your window space. A fireplace in this one. This is a full-size bed right here. You also have a dinette. This one has a full wall slide, so it opens up the whole area right here. It has opposing slides as well. The kitchen wall slides out, so you have a nice sense of space right here. Good kitchen counter space. Microwave convection oven, has a bath and a half. This is the half bath with a space-saving door. The bedroom is a queen size. It also has a slide opposing. The bed slides out right here. The TV. It's standard feature right now to put the TV on the other side of the bed in a Newmar. All hardwoods in this. Hand sanded, beautiful maple. And then this is the bathroom in the back. It's a 36-inch radius shower. You have good storage over here. Stackable washer and dryer right here. Nice room in this bathroom. Has all porcelain tile floors, full wall slide again, and the floor is flush with this. Both of these seats right here turn around, they both recline, so you have a nice size entertainment area, plenty of seating for everyone. Again, my name is Royanne Bystead in Junction City. If you have any questions about this coach, please give me a call, 541-636-7862. Thank you.